Bururi wa Kenya uguturo cokeirie ngatho uria wari mwandiki mukaru wa tene wa kiama kia AU mutigairi Kofi Annan ni undu wa itemi ria mwanya riria akorirwo akioya ria kurehe wiguano wa bururi mwaka-ini wa 2007 hindi ya mbara cia githurano. Hindi ya mbara ici cia githurano mwaka-ini wa 2007 makiria ma akenya 1,400 nio makorirwo makiurwo ni mioyo yao guku makirima indo cia muingi igithukangio undu uria wacungireire guthamio kwa makirima a Kenya micini yao.
And 2008 in Kenya, there was a moment of unrest in the country, and a lot of people were lost their lives. About 1,400 Kenyans lost their lives. There was a lot of destruction of property and so forth. Many people were displaced.
Akiada ari bururi-ini wa Ghana kuria magucerete na mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto niguo kumatia ndogo yake mabũrũri Minista mukaru Musalia Mudavadi hindi ya kiririkano kia mutigairi Kofi Annan. Musalia augite ati akenya nimagiriirwo kuhe gitio na gucokeria ngatho mutigairi Kofi Annan ni wirutiri wake wa kurehe urumwe gatagati ka atongoria a Kenya na kuhoreria urugari wake uteti uria wari ku mwaka-ini wa 2007.
But since I'm here, this would be a good opportunity to pay respects to him, not just for myself, but on behalf of the people of Kenya, to express our gratitude.
Kuringana na Mudavadi, ucamba wa mutigairi Kofi Annan wacungireirie kugia kwa katiba ya bururi wa Kenya mwaka-ini wa 2010. Oho Mudavadi ni acokeirie thirikari ya Ghana ngatho ni gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari kunyitirira bururi wa Kenya, guku akiuga ati ndugu ya Kenya na bururi wa Ghana no iguthie na mbere na kumata.
That the 2010 constitution and a referendum that has bestowed to the Kenyan people a very progressive constitution, and that is a process that started with that mediation of Kofi Annan. President in Ghana has just cemented that good relationship. President Ruto's state visit to Ghana and his partnership with the President Nana Addo have just cemented that partnership between Kenya and Ghana.
Ribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Mugo.